A woman's tear dropped onto the table. A nearby fly saw it and quickly used the tear to write his name on the table. The woman was so frightened by this scene that she stepped back because it was her husband's name. She tentatively reached out her finger, and to her surprise, the fly immediately crawled onto her hand. The woman instantly asked if he was her husband, and the fly promptly nodded. She quickly asked if he had died in an accident, and the fly shook his head. At that moment, the fly spotted a wealthy man's photo in the newspaper and immediately flew over to show the woman that the wealthy man had killed him. Then he flew into some red paint, got it on himself, and drew a red line across the neck of the wealthy man in the photo. This made Anna completely believe that the fly was indeed her husband. To help her husband complete his revenge, Anna made a tiny gas mask for the fly to protect him from insecticide. She then used a toothpick to help him with strength training and even modified the fly's legs into sharp claws. After making thorough preparations, the fly quietly entered the wealthy man's home and cut open the lamp's electrical wire. He then harassed the wealthy man, luring him toward the lamp. As a result, the wealthy man slapped his hand on the exposed wire and was nearly electrocuted. The fly flew to the wealthy man's bedroom at night. He knocked a still-burning cigarette butt onto the floor, then pushed it under the wealthy man's blanket. The wealthy man only avoided being burned to death because he smelled the smoke in time. One day, the fly came to harass the wealthy man again, but he discovered a cannon model. After careful study, he came up with a bold plan. He immediately went back and had Anna make gunpowder and put it into a steel tube. The result showed it could easily shatter a soda can. So the fly put the gunpowder in a basket and repeatedly transported it to the cannon in the wealthy man's house. But on his final trip, he was discovered by the wealthy man. The wealthy man quickly covered the cannon's muzzle, put a steel ball inside, and desperately pounded on the barrel. Just when the wealthy man thought he had killed the fly, it turned out the fly had already escaped from the back.